According to legend, way back in around 600 BC, the first vertical garden was created in the ancient city of Babylon by King Nebuchadnezzar II. Yes, that's right, folks. One of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Little did Nebuchadnezzar know, roll on 2,615 years, that the concept would be as popular as ever. Now, just like in Babylon, the vertical gardens you see today are permanent features attached to a wall or structure. But if you're after something mobile, there is a new option available. This Holman GreenWall is quick and easy to set up, with everything you need included in the kit. The frame is a durable metal construction for long life, and the pots are a corrosion-resistant coated PVC with varying sizes to suit your different plants. Once you've got your frame together, it's time to start putting in the pots. The large guys at the bottom here, and then you move into the smaller ones further up. And each pot has this perforated mat that goes in the bottom, and that stops the soil mix washing through and blocking the drainage holes. It's clever technology, and I'll bet you old Nebuchadnezzar never had anything like this. Well, that's your mobile green wall assembled, but of course there's one thing missing, the plants. I'm using a selection of herbs to create an edible wall. Plant into the pots with a good quality potting mix. Getting the watering right is crucial for success, and the key to these small pots is regular watering intervals for a short watering period, and all that can be achieved with the watering system that comes with the kit. And what you get are these drippers that need to be placed directly over the root ball of each pot, and that way the water gets to where it's needed. Connect a hose to the fitting on the side and the other end at the tap. For best results, use one of these misting tap timers, specially designed for use with the GreenWall. You can set a few start times each day with a variety of watering duration options. Well, there you go. It's the Hanging Herbs of Holman, and it's only going to get better as the plants get bigger. Now, remember, being mobile, if a really hot day comes along, you can move it into the shade until the danger has passed. And I reckon if King Nebuchadnezzar was here now, he'd say, "Hey, mate, I want one of those in Babylon."